My mother-in-law is honestly the cutest. She got Gianna some princess PJs, and it's a set with like a long sleeve and a short sleeve with the pajama pants. So cute. She got it from Target, and it was only $12.99. Wow. Oh, and she got her a dress. How cute is that? How cute is that? So cute. What else? Oh, and she got her some belts. Not that she really wears belts, but she got her some belts. Super cute. I don't think she's ever owned a belt. But Gianna is like becoming very like fashionable these days. It's pretty funny. And she got her a Toy Story for Life book and some Lego toys. Hi. Welcome back to my channel. I should have said that prior to me just showing you everything. It is approximately 5 o'clock in the evening. I got out of work early today. I got out at 4, went and picked up Gianna. Gianna came home with some goodies. Her and her grandma went to Target, and Gianna is currently napping in the living room because she fell asleep in the car. So it's Friday evening, Friday night, I guess you could say, and it is so cold outside. It is like 2 degrees. I'm not even being dramatic. When I was in my car this morning, it went down to 6 degrees, but since it's getting later in the day, it gets colder, and the wind is just, excuse me, yeah. So it's super windy, so it makes it even more cold. We're supposed to be getting some snow Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, a winter storm. So I'm kind of excited about that, low key. Waiting for my husband to come home with dinner. We ordered a Chiro, which is a Japanese place. I love to get their shrimp hibachi and their California rolls. So let's get this evening going. Look at her. She is exhausted. So cold out there, guys. It's so cold. I picked up a couple of things from Target, but Gianna is very picky with her food, and she used to love all kinds of like applesauce fruit pouches. Then she fell out of love with them, and then she fell in love with these are the organic slammers. She loves the strawberry and acai flavor, so I get her these all the time now because she's obsessed. It says it helps with immune support, and she also has really bad eczema, and I'm tired of using steroid cream on her, and I think that's so rough on the skin in general, let alone a little one's skin. So I read really good reviews about this Honest eczema cream. I read the reviews from Target.com. This, guy, is pretty expensive. It was $13.99, but it's worth the try because most of the reviews said their child's eczema got better within a few applications. So let's see. Favorite wine? If you don't know, now you know. It's Friday. My husband got me this, I think from Amazon. Mom juice. Don't get it twisted. But mama needs some wine. So good. So good. Mm. Salad, California roll, rice.
You handed her?
I did.
Where is she?
She jumped back on the couch. Soup? What kind of soup is that? What kind of soup is that?
I don't know.
Oh, that's why you have rice here?
Yes, I don't know.
Chicken teriyaki. Shrimp hibachi.
This isn't the one.
So it's much later in the evening, in the night, I guess you could say, right, G? It's 7:40. Gianna is
I'm just
having her latuche. What are we watching, Gianna?
This is Zombie's one.
Zombies. This Gianna used to have on replay during quarantine, so it reminds me of quarantine every time we watch it. We have a fire going.
Yeah.
G is going to bed in 20 minutes.
So, tomorrow Dad's gonna stay home because he told me.
Yeah, it's the weekend.
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited. Just a little cozy evening. Coffee going through my veins in the morning is like life. It is so cold outside. It is so cold. Look at this coffee. Just look how yum that is. I sure can, baby love. How'd you sleep last night?
Good.
I love your PJs.
Your PJs.
Thanks, the all black ones. Thanks. Did you do your morning potty session?
Yeah, I did.
Let me go check in the potty. Come on. You did not, G. Come on.
Wait, first would you take a picture?
Yes.
But look, we're like. Love you. Chico, could you say I love us back together?
Yeah.
Thanks. Did you say yes?
Yes.
Oh, thanks.
Right, here's your cereal.
Okay, I'm gonna go get my tablet.
Okay.
Yeah. I forgot. Yeah.
You're good? Here.
Good. Put it more closer. Look at these dingly pants. I should have got them. They're dingly.
They're comfortable.
Well, they're dingly. They're going down.
Mine are dangly.
They're going down to my feet.
All right, I'll push you in. Is that good?
Good.
It's a cold one out there. Look at that snow.
And you made it. You can't say it. Just close your eyes and say a prayer. It's okay. You're scared when I'm not here. I'll hold you right there. Thanks.
Are you hangry? It's approximately 11:35 and we are in the parking lot of Home Depot. Hubby ran in to get some calcium chloride salt for our driveway because we are getting a snowstorm on Monday. So we are gonna prep the driveway so it's not that bad and it's not that icy and that slippery, right, Bebe? I think she's a little hungry right now.
But don't play the music.
You got it, Beb? It's heavy, right? Wait. Was that a bag? I'm so confused. Was that a box or a bag?
It's a box.
Is it, you think, enough for our driveway?
It's 40 pounds. It's the same.
You sure? Was there a lot?
Yeah.
I am leaving Target, y'all. Leaving Target, and it's 8:49 in the morning. Look at all that dust. I need to clean this car. But I went to the grocery store to get things that we needed for the week, and I went to Target to get some things that I forgot at the grocery store, but I mainly came because Target has these nuggets and my grocery store doesn't. And this is like Gianna's new obsession, the Applegate chicken nuggets. I showed this in my last video. For one bag, it's like $11 and some change, I believe, which is kind of expensive, but they're honestly delicious. They don't taste fake or weird. I came to the grocery store and to Target looking like a hot mess. I don't care. So today's Sunday and we are getting a snowstorm early Monday morning and all day Monday, which is tomorrow, and we're expected to get 12 inches of snow. So I'm an early bird anyway, but I was like, let me go to the grocery store super early. I was like, let me be at the grocery store at 8 a.m. so I can get like what we needed without, I get anxiety around a lot of people. And to be honest, I'm kind of like antisocial. I'm like a homebody. I just don't like being in public places, minus Target. Target's an exception. So yeah. Got to the grocery store at 8 o'clock, and then, you know, I was in there for about a good 25 minutes. But when I was leaving, that's when everybody was like coming into the store because, you know, every time there's a storm, people need their milk, eggs, and bread. I feel like that's always what's sold out, milk, eggs, and bread. I actually have to drop off some bread at my mom's house on my way home because she needs it. She requested it. So I'm gonna give Mama some bread. Today we're just, you know, chilling at home for the majority of the day. And every weekend we usually go on Sunday to my mother-in-law's for dinner. So that's what we're doing today. And I have to bring baked homemade mac and cheese. So I'm gonna do that. And how's your weekend going, guys? What is up?